Okay, good morning, students. Today the topic is sets. So, class 11th, class 11 science maths. Today's topic sets. Okay, introduction of the sets. The sets concept of sets serve as a fundamental part of the present day mathematics. Yeah, fundamental part of the present day of mathematics. Today, this concept is being used in almost every branches of the mathematics. Set are used to define the concept of the relation and function. The study of the geometry, sequence, probability, etc. requires the knowledge of the set. Clear? The basic knowledge of the set. This and you know about the prime number. Yes, this prime number definition of prime number: a number divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. Even number, odd number, a number divisible by 2, and a number does not divisible by 2 is called a odd and even. Okay, whole number and real number. Rational number. You know about rational number? Rational number. Okay. Then define prime number, even number, odd number, whole number, real number, rational number, irrational number. Irrational numbers. Clear? And now start the topic. The definition of the top set. Set definition. Set, a well-defined collection of object is a set. A well-defined collection of object is called a set. A well-defined collection of object is a set. Okay, is set denoted by capital letters. So that is A, B, C, so on. Okay. Next, the set have two methods. Important methods. Okay. Two methods. Number one, roster or tabular method. Form. Okay. Form, that is method form. Second method, set builder form. This first method and this second method. Roster means table type. Bound is table in braces. This form, this braces. Bound in braces in middle bracket. Set builder form is a word problem type. Okay. Next, let roster form. Okay, a set this equal to 1, 2, 3, so on, n belongs to n. Okay, this is a roster form. And second, set builder form. Set builder form is defined set builder form is a um, mm, all the element of a set process. All the element of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. Okay, this definition that all the element of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed possessed by any element, by any element outside the set, outside the set. Clear? And this form as a x such that x is a even number, even natural number, but less than 10. Okay, less than 10. This is a set builder form. Okay, now let question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Clear? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Number first, before this exercise starts, so you can see the symbols of set. Okay, so already make a list of the symbols: belongs, does not belongs. Okay, this is a list. Here also belong in 11th and 12th class. So this symbols is and, this symbols is also or, and this epsilon is belongs to, does not belong this cross. Okay, this list also sent to in your group. Does not belongs to, this epsilon does not belongs to, this symbols is a subset of, this symbol proper subset, this is a superset, and such that symbols. Okay, this, okay, these symbols, these symbols also given to. Okay, less than, equal, greater than and equal. C means complex. This is important. N means set of natural numbers, Z set of integer, R real number, set of whole numbers, set of rational numbers, set of complex numbers. Right? And our start. Question number 1. The collection of all the month of a year. Month of a year beginning with the letter J. Beginning with the letter J. So those number month of year, and we start from J. The collection of all the month of a year beginning with the J, with the letter G. Okay, so the collection of the all year, this beginning this month J, January, there's January, June, July, only 3 months are start from J, January, June and July. Okay, this is also set. This, yes, it is a well defined collection of object of a set. It is a set. This is a set. Okay, next question. Next part, second part of first question. The collection of 10 most talented. The collection of 10 most talented. Talented writers of India. Writers of India. This question. So therefore, the 10 most talented writer of India are not well defined. Okay, are not well defined, the, so therefore the talented writer of India may vary person to person. It is not a set. Yeah, and similarly solve this part. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth also. Okay, and next question number 2. Question number 2 is homework. Let A, according question, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, set A equal to this given. Insert the appropriate symbols. Belongs or does not belong. Belongs and does not belongs. So first part, 5 dot 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 A means 5 belongs, does not belong. So 5 here, 5 number is also belongs to in set A. Okay, so this use belongs. 5 belongs to A. And second, this number is given 8. 8 is not given, so not given, so 8 does not belongs to A. Okay, and third part, 0 does not belongs to A. 0 not given in a set. And fourth 4 and A, 4 is also given, 4 is belongs to A. Fifth part, 2 is also given to A. And sixth part, 10 also not. does not belongs to A. Okay, that your answer. Then solve as type question. Okay, so next question number 3. Question number 3. This type question solve will be tomorrow. Okay, do your homework only question number this one, and tomorrow will be discussed. Okay, thank you.